Welcome to this video, and it's particularly integration. You're supposed to integrate this product of two trigonometric functions, sine of x and cosine of x. Okay, so I want to do a little trick here because I want to use u substitution also, and my trick is more of mathematical equivalence, and you would take, let's say, sine of 2x is the same as sine of x cosine of x. I think that's a very important mathematical equivalence. From here, I haven't started to integrate yet. I'm just trying to bring in concepts from the double angle formula. And now from here, if you look at this, is if you put a 2 here, let's put a 2 there. Sine 2x is 2 sine x cosine of x. All right. So if you want to get sine x cosine x, you can divide by 2 both sides. That's why I'm saying it's more or less like a trick here. So sine of x, okay, cosine of x can be equal to a half sine of 2x. That makes sense? Right. So when we are told to integrate sine of x cosine of x, it's easier to integrate this part here on the right hand side compared to this one. And so now we reset our question this way. We now integrate, instead of sine x cosine x, we integrate a half sine of 2x. That makes sense. Now to integrate this, I'll use u substitution, and this is what I'm going to say. Let u be equal to 2x. Okay, this part here, and of course I can always pull my half onto the front, so now I am left with sine of 2x being the integrand on the right hand side. After I pull out 1 over 2 onto the front, now I proceed with my letting. Let u be equal to 2x. So I want to get my du dx here. So du dx is equal to 2. So in other words, my dx is the same as du over 2. Okay, that makes sense. Now from here, using my u substitution, I can now transform my function and now have a half integral sine, and then instead of sine 2x, I have sine of u. Then instead of dx, I have du over 2. So that's du over 2, right? And this now turns out to be a quarter. I have to pull that 2 under du onto the front, then sine of u du, right? This is a very nice now integral. So integral of sine of u is negative cosine. So I have 1 over 4 negative onto the front, cosine of u plus a constant of integration. Now we can now transform because our function was not in form of u, was in terms of x, and so we can resubstitute our x back. So this becomes cosine of u is 2x, so we have 2x plus a constant, and that's how it's done. Thank you.